Next question says, which of the following is consistent with the law of demand? A, an increase in the price of juice causes no change in the quantity of juice demanded. B, a decrease in the price of a gallon of milk causes a decrease in the quantity of milk demanded. 3, an increase in the price of soda causes a decrease in the quantities of soda demanded. Or 4, an increase in the price of the tape causes an increase in the quantity of tapes demanded. So the law of demand tells us that as ceteris paribus, holding all else equal, as price goes up, quantity demand goes down. As price goes down, quantity demand goes up. We want to see an answer choice that reflects this trade-off or this inverse relationship. A says a decrease in the price of juice causes no change in quantity demanded. Not correct. B says a decrease in the price causes a decrease in the quantity of demanded. Incorrect. C says an increase in the price of soda causes a decrease in the quantity of soda demanded. That is correct. So that seems to be one that fits. And let's check 4. An increase in the price of tape causes an increase in the quantity of tapes demanded. Incorrect. So 3 is going to be the right answer here because it matches that inverse relationship. Price goes up, quantity goes down. Okay, let's take a look at the previous tutor's answer. They also said 3. He said that the law of demand asserts an inverse relationship between the price of a good and its quantity demanded by stating that a decrease in the price of a good will cause the quantity demanded to increase, and an increase in the price will cause the quantity demanded to decrease. The inverse relationship is translated into a downward sloping demand curve on which a change in quantity demanded due to changes in price is reflected by a movement along the curve. An upward movement represents a decrease, and a downward movement represents an increase in the quantity demanded. And change in the demand due to factors that affect demand other than the price of the product leads to a shift in the curve and not a movement. If there's a decrease in the quantity of soda demanded due to an increase in this price, the law of demand is reflected. It's a pretty thorough explanation. Nothing to add there. We'll mark that as correct.